Hey bro, what do you want to eat?
The souls of the innocent.
A bagel.
No!
2 bagels.
How could someone be so adorable and hot at the same time?
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom. A child. No.
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
Hey, spell me, okay? M-E? You forgot the D. There's no D in me. Not yet.